Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jo, and as me and my family are very fond of mushrooms, we have this great recipe of mushroom with white sauce. What you need for this recipe is 1 kilo of mushrooms, 2 spoons of sunflower oil, 4 spoons of flour, some water and some milk. I will start by cutting the mushrooms in thin slices. When you're done cutting the mushrooms, you put the oil in the pot, the water too, you put the mushrooms, and you start the cooker low temperature. You wait for a few minutes until they become soft. As you can see, they dropped a lot. The pot was full of mushrooms and now it's only half of it full, but they are not boiled yet. You just wait for a few more minutes until they're done. When the mushrooms are boiled and soft, you stop the cooker and gradually add flour while constantly mixing. When you are done adding the flour and the whole mixture is very hard, you start adding the milk and continue mixing until everything becomes fluid again. When everything is fluid again, you start the cooker low temperature and you mix. What's gonna happen is that everything will become hard again. When that happens, you add some more milk and you mix till you get the desired texture. All done here. Now you stop the cooker, put some on a plate and enjoy it with your family. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes and turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care. Bye.